Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading you a poem called All Part of the Plan from the book 55 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. All part of the plan. The adversities you face may not seem logical or fair. You may see it as a delay or unfortunate detour that was totally unnecessary. I can assure you, one day you'll understand and know it all happened for your greatest good and the evolution of humanity. You'll know God had a plan, and you were part of it to create a brighter humanity. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I believe this with all of my being. I believe that things happen. Sometimes you can't understand it, but like the poem says, later on you'll realize what it was, why it happened. And sometimes you can't figure out why it happened. That's when you need to let it go. Just realize it happened for some reason you can't comprehend right now, and let it go. Stop fighting and thinking about it. Just let it go. The universe opens doors in strange ways. It takes things away, but it'll give you twice as much back, I believe. The universe works for you. God, whatever you want to call that energy. I believe it 100% works for you. Whatever you send out, whatever vibes you send out, you'll receive back, I believe. I believe if you follow love, you'll always be happy. Because those are the vibes you're going to send out, and that's what you'll get back, I believe. With love, thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful day.